I'm going to show you how you can easily share Netflix on Zoom without a black screen. First, open Zoom on your PC. Then click on Sign In at the top right corner. Next, click on the Google icon to log in using your Google account. If you're not logged in yet, you will need to choose the Google account you would like to use and click Continue. After logging in, click on Open Zoom Meetings to open the Zoom app. Now click on New Meeting to start a fresh meeting. Once the meeting is started, click on Open Windows Settings to ensure your system has microphone access. Turn the toggle on for microphone access to allow Zoom to access your microphone. Click on Check My Audio Devices to confirm that your audio is properly set up for the meeting. Next, click on Share in the Zoom window to share your screen. When prompted, select Application window from the sharing options. Open Netflix in a new browser tab. Then, open Zoom from the taskbar to return to your meeting window. Click on the small application window showing Netflix from the sharing options in Zoom. Finally, start playing something on Netflix. Now, your audience in the Zoom meeting should be able to see the content you're streaming without encountering a black screen.